we create a world of our own. Tracing those dreams, Vedant Group proudly presents Kingston Imperia, homes where the royals reside. Spread over more than 5 acres, nestled amidst green surroundings, this unique project stands as a true reflection of a comfort zone that blends harmoniously with fast-paced lifestyles. Located at Pisoli, along with many first-time conveniences, Kingston Imperia will soon be an envied enclave in the city. Imperia means royalty, classiness, and most importantly, it is synonymous with flourishing and healthy lifestyles. The very essence of this name is infused in this self-contained futuristic project. The multi-purpose play and seating area blended with new ideas of playoffs will cater to your refreshment needs. At the fully equipped and safe play area for your children, you will treasure the playful memories of the tiny tots. Simply cherish a long walk by the well-landscaped garden and walking pathways, or shed off your fatigue at the clubhouse that offers numerous recreational facilities and works like a complete leisure setting for you and your family. At Kingston Imperia, indulge your taste buds with a tempting selection of 1, 2 and 2.5 BHK apartments that come enwrapped with ample parking space for each at the ground floor. Pick your palette with your choice and soothe your senses at this sanctuary that offers relaxation and rejuvenation for your mind, body and soul. The entrance lobby whisks you into a world of splendor and sophistication. As you step in, you will be overpowered by the magnanimous beauty of the residence. The living embraces you with natural light and utmost ventilation. Share authentic meals with your loved ones at the lavishly laid dining. Kitchen, the heart of your home, is designed to impress even the most discerning of tastes. The lady of the house will be wowed as she would now love to cook in a perfect setting. Bedrooms at Kingston Imperia offer a visual treat. The thoughtfully proportioned bedrooms gift you luxury of space with abundant light, air and ventilation. These subtle yet luxurious bedrooms come home to contemporary comforts that provide an elixir to the city stress. Everything about the interiors is warm and inviting. We have strived to create an ideal ambience. Perhaps one of the striking features of your home here is the private and exclusive terrace area adjoining the living that offers truly exquisite views of the paradise laid outside. Apart from the unmatched selection of a superlative lifestyle, Kingston Imperia offers a colorful bouquet of amenities. Burn your calories at the gym. Indulge yourself in your favorite activity. The row houses add beauty to this unique township. Towering above the rest, Kingston Imperia is the harmonious backdrop for urban living. Here, nature spreads its green canopy in absolute serenity. Come, Make yourself a part of this plush residence in a home that will boost you with pride and inspire grand returns on your investment. Addressing the need for comfortable homes for a lifetime, Kingston Imperia is located amidst lush greenery and a pleasant environment. With a fine cultured neighborhood, transport links, health and education facilities at the fingertips, this township is destined to be a landmark in the vicinity. Strategically designed by Vedant Group, Kingston Imperia is a synergy between art and building.